Hey guys, so we have a quick unboxing of the Razer Phone 2. Now, I'm really anxious to use this, so I'm going to make this a pretty quick video. Now, you guys see we have a pretty basic black box here. So, the phone has a Snapdragon 45 and supposedly excellent speakers with it. It's actually kind of hard to cut it because they don't really give you a place to insert a knife. But for dramatic effect, gonna do this. Oh yeah, this is like a sleeve on it. Okay. So that's actually pretty nice. So it goes up like this. Yeah, I mean really, this box is so big I can hardly fit on a table. So we got a letter there. And the Razer Phone. You know, I did really regret not getting the original Razer Phone last year. Man, this is nice. Alright, so we got our instructions. Alright, so we got some manuals. Man, they're really including a lot with it. And then we have a quick charger. A Type-C cable. Okay, so it looks like no headphones with it. Yeah, so extremely premium box, but not that much in it. But nonetheless, let's get to the phone. Ooh, man, that is really premium feeling. Wow, yeah, so this is pretty boxy, guys. Of course, it is a gaming phone, but definitely bigger than I expected. Okay, so the smell, the look, the feel of all this, definitely the best for any phone I've owned. But I wish that they at least gave headphones or a free case or, you know, stuff like that with it. Man, this is, I'm not going to call it a brick, but it is pretty big. So it's powering it on now. I think that the back fit's supposed to, oh wow, man, that's pretty sweet. Alright guys, so I'll put in my info, be back in a few. Alright guys, so quick look at the UI. Fortunately, not too much bloat on it. Actually, not really any bloat on it. Just all your standard stuff. And let's go over the specs real quick. So the phone has a 5.7-inch screen display, 513 PPI. On the front, the camera is 8 MP. And on the back, you have dual cameras, both of them are 12. Now, internally, you have 64 gigabytes internal storage and microSD card support, a pretty massive 4,000 capacity battery, Snapdragon 45, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and the phone is water resistant IP67. Now, unfortunately, there is no headphone jack on it, but you do have some supposedly amazing quality speakers. So let's do a quick test for them. Hi, no copyright music. So they do sound excellent. However, I can't say that they're the best yet. Oh, and something pretty cool as well. You do have the fingerprint on the side right there. Just like the older Xperia phones. And some pretty awesome sound effects. Okay, so first thoughts, this is the first gaming phone I own. And despite the specs, I mean, guys, I know the specs are ridiculous on this. Again, a 4,000 capacity battery, 8 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon 45, all that. And of course, 2 excellent speakers on it. But all that said, it is still pretty surprising just how big it is. But yeah, guys, that said, I'm extremely excited to test it out. The cameras, the speakers, and of course the speed. So as always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments below what video you want to see next.